wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From the cockpit of Air Noah and Olivia.
Air Noah and Olivia! We are flying high.
Yeah, and we're flying to Avatarland!
Avatarland!
So buckle up because we are ready for takeoff.
Yeah, we are ready for adventure. Guess what?
What?
You know how Avatar?
Yeah.
And we're in a plane, and planes are aviation.
Oh, right, aviation.
Yeah, it's like
Avatar.
It's like aviation. Wait, Avatar.
Avatarnation.
Avatarnation. Or Avatarnation.
Avatarnation.
Yeah, Avatarnation.
Yeah, we'll call ourselves Avatarnation.
Absolutely, Avatarnation.
And we're going to fly to Avatarland.
Yeah, I'm so excited to go to Avatarland.
Because we're avatars.
Absolutely, look. Yeah. You can tell.
Yeah, we look pretty good.
Hey, we look great. I would like to really compliment you on your hair, Noah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm really glad that you finally grew it out.
Oh, yeah. Do you like my ears, too?
Oh, yeah, your ears. Oh, and your feathers.
Do you like my...
Oh, yeah. You have...
I even have a ponytail.
Beads. Oh, yeah. It's a long braid with beads in it.
Do you like my ponytail?
Yeah, it's very beautiful. And if you turn your head the other way... Nope, other way. Yeah, your feathers, your ears. You're looking good. Yeah, looking very nice. Mm-hmm.
See, now I can always, like, watch myself with my ponytail.
That's really not what a ponytail is for.
Oh, really?
No, yeah, no.
What do you use ponytails for? I mean, I never have a ponytail, so I figured, you don't
really use them for anything. It's more just like,
it's
like style. You're just like, oh, I know. Here, if you were, like, say you wanted to be, like, a supermodel and you had a ponytail, you could be, like, and you could flick your ponytail around, like, push. Yeah, like a model.
Oh, I should watch out, though.
Yeah, you have beads in your ponytail. That's a dangerous ponytail.
Yeah.
I'm wearing my beads as a necklace.
Oh, oh, that's nice.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, that's a really nice necklace.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty. I liked it.
What's that long thing in the back there?
Oh, this?
Yeah, what's...
This is my tail. I'm very excited about that. Yeah, look, watch. Wait, hold on.
When did you grow that tail?
Tickle. It's a tickle tail.
Oh, I can do that too.
Tickle tail.
Tickle. Well,
yeah, I like my tail. Oh, look, my tail can also be a mustache.
Oh, yeah, that's funny.
Mustache.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. Now I'm an old Avatar guy with a mustache.
Why, hello.
Hello.
I can also clean my ears with it.
Yours can be a whole beard. Wait, because if you put that one as a mustache and then put your long ponytail as a beard.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That might be too much hair in my face.
Yeah, that's true. It'd be really hard to. No. It's too ticklish. Oh. No. Noah.
Okay.
I'm gonna tickle you. What, are you not ticklish?
No, I'm not ticklish actually. Yeah. Good try though.
I'll just put it right there. Is that annoying? There's a tail in your face. Okay.
Should we start flying?
Woo. Sorry, I've never had a tail before. It's pretty exciting.
Yeah, I'm noticing.
Yeah, it's like. Yeah, we should probably start flying. You gotta get to Avatarland.
You play with your tail and I'll start flying, okay?
No, I'm gonna fly.
Wait, so who's flying? You or me?
I think I should fly.
Okay, you can fly.
Okay,
then I don't have to do anything.
Okay, good job. Okay. Control, this is a Avatarnation requesting permission for takeoff.
This is Controller. Avatarnation. We don't know who you are, but you are ready for liftoff.
Thank you. As Avatarnation, we would like to tell you that we are basically the best. So now you know who we are.
Maybe you should mention our names.
Oh, yes.
From June again.
Yes, okay. Control, we are, as Avatarnation, we are basically the best. You can call us Noah and Olivia from Dream Again. Dream Again, heading to Avatarland. Over and out.
Controller, thank you for the clarification.
Great.
Love your show. Keep it up.
Thanks. Feel free to send in requests anytime. We really appreciate the fan
Ask for
mail.
subscribers.
Oh yeah. Please, click that subscribe button because we really like to know that you're out there so that we aren't alone. It's nice to know that people are watching.
Good one.
Okay, great. We love you guys. Niner, taking off.
Nice. Good.
Yes, okay.
Good job, Olivia. You're a good pilot.
Yeah, thank you. I've been practicing.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, but I'm a little bit afraid of flying, so please, just don't crash, okay?
Okay, I won't crash, but I don't know if there's any turbulence on the way to Avatarnation, though.
Okay, well.
Okay. Or Avatarland, I'm sorry.
Here's to
hoping?
Yeah, here's to hoping.
You know what? You can wrap your ponytail around you like a seatbelt.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Baby. Oh, and I'm going to use my tail. Okay, click your seatbelt.
Okay.
Seatbelt clicked.
Is...
Okay,
I got it on.
All right, great. All right, are you ready?
I'm good.
All right, and off we go. Okay.
Wow, nice. Good job.
Ooh, thank you.
Good job taking off. Okay, I'll take a nap.
Okay, take a nap. Oh, guys, it looks like I'm Olivia, and I'll be your pilot for today. I'd like to point out that on our left over there, or on our right, sorry, we have some nice little blue
I hope we're going in the
Smurfs.
right direction if you don't know between left and right.
I was pointing it out for people facing the other direction.
Oh, okay.
And over to the other side, we see some nice fluffy clouds, and but up ahead there looks like some gray clouds, and we're gonna hit a little bit of turbulence. So just keep your seatbelts buckled, and 1, 2, 3. I hope you're ready. And turbulence! And we'd like to thank you for dealing with that turbulence so well. We should have smooth sailing from here until we reach Avatarland.
Oh, so good.
Thank you.
So happy. Good flying there.
Yeah, thank you. It was hard. Some of those bumps, I was like, whoa, that's a lot of clouds, right?
Yeah, but you did a good job.
Thank you.
You should really consider becoming a pilot.
Aw.
Wait. Why would I say that? Because you're flying us.
Yeah.
You're a pilot already, right?
I'm basically a pilot.
Basically?
Yeah, I mean, in Avatarland, you don't have to have a license to fly a plane, so I figure it's kind of okay. Don't get me wrong, I've taken all the flying classes, obviously. I did flying simulation. I did the flying app. I did
Did you learn to land an airplane?
Oh, don't worry. I've learned that if you land in water, it's real smooth.
No.
No, I know how to land, silly.
Is there a parachute
Maybe.
part of this plane? Can I just?
I think
Avatarland.
with those ears, if you just hold them out to the side, you'll probably be able to just float down. Oh, like Dumbo. Boop, 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 boop.
Oh no!
All right, shall I take us in?
Kids, make sure you say, "I love you all, kids. I love you."
Yeah, no, I love that. It's okay. We're going in for a landing.
Okay.
Ready?
Here we go.
Here we go. See?
Oh.
Smooth landing.
Whew.
Yeah.
Wow, that was actually
Pretty good, right? Pretty good.
I don't think I've been so scared in my life ever before.
Weird. I feel like that was nice. Nice. A little bit exciting at times, but that's how I like to keep my skies. I like to keep my skies nice and exciting.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I'm ready for Avatarnation.
Okay.
No.
Well, we're here, so if
Avatarland.
Avatarland. So if everybody would like to deplane, we can go ahead and go into Avatarland.
Okay. Let's go.
All right. So we say goodbye to the kids.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, check us out on Avatarland.
Yeah. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's gonna be so cool.
Yeah, we're gonna have a fun time.
Oh, definitely. We're gonna do all
I've never
sorts of
been there.
Avatar-y things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, kids. Bye. Have fun. Oh, let's undo our seatbelts then. All right.
Well,
And,
my ponytail, I guess, served me well.
yeah, and, my tail did great. I bet I could swing from vines with this. Okay.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!